Once again, you guys, this hair is from Megalook Hair. This is a 26-inch transparent lace wig unit. I just cut it, but it was really long. It's very thick. This hair is very super silky and shiny. It doesn't tangle up, no shedding at all. I actually went to Miami with this hair and I got so many compliments. My hair didn't shed. I went to a boat party. I went to the club, honey. And this hair is like, you see how beautiful. And this hair did not fail me. I put it into a center part, then I moved into a side swoop part. And this hair is actually really affordable. The elastic band comes with this hair. Attached to the wig, which I love. It comes with a stocking cap, a baby hair comb, hair accessories. It even came with 2 mink eyelashes, okay? It came with eyelashes. The packaging is on point. The shipping is on point. I literally have nothing negative to say. The parting space is enough, you know, where I can do center part, side part, and it looks really, really cute. If you guys want this hair, the hair information will be linked in the description box below. In this next clip, I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to be getting with this hair. I'm telling you, it's bomb. Click the link in my description box, and I promise you, you're not going to regret it. It's super long. I love this hair so freaking much, okay? Like I said, that was my girl talk on 5 signs you have bare minimum friends. I hope this video was useful for you ladies. Until next time, Bella gang or no gang. Mwah. Okay, best friends, so this is what you're going to receive when you purchase Megalook Hair. Obviously, you're going to get your wig unit. As you can see, it's pre-plucked with the elastic band attached to it, which I can really appreciate because it's so hard for me to do it myself. The lace is transparent, and you guys know I love transparent lace wigs because it just makes your hair look way more realistic. It comes in this hairnet. I'm gonna open the hair and show you soon, but let me just show you what the package comes with. You get a baby hairbrush, hair clips. You get a small travel size purse to put your hair clips and accessories in. You get a stocking cap, and the box is extremely sturdy. The packaging is really nice packaging, okay? And like I said before, this is 26 inches, okay? I'm trying to do this with one hand to show you guys. 1 second. Silky straight hair. Look at this hair. Silky straight. Beautiful. Beautiful. This hair is so soft and silky. And I cut it to about 22 inches because I wanted to have like a shorter look. But you get a lot of hair. The money that you spend on this hair is well worth it, you guys. So if you like this, like what you see, click the information. The hair information will be linked in the description box below. But yes, this is Megalook Hair, and thank you once again for watching. Bye-bye.